My name is Courtney, and I am a welder fabricator here at Air Control. I'm lucky enough to have a boyfriend at home that has a welder, and I just wanted to try it, see if I could do it. And I just started by simply asking him a few questions, and then I just tack here, adjust it. Artwork, I like the fact of you can create so much just from the littlest pieces of metal to the biggest pieces of metal, and to fuse them together is quite fun. I don't do the same thing every day. I can bounce back and forth. I can help the guys across the street if I need to. I can be over here doing small stuff, just kind of all over the place. Go for it. I don't think they should be scared. I feel like some are maybe intimidated a little bit. There is a lot of work involved in it. The high school should just bring them in, give it a try, just even one day.